Meaning of eighth.
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 Eighth. Eighth is a numerical term that represents the quantity of 1 out of 8 equal parts of a whole. It is often used to indicate the position of something in a sequence or to divide something into smaller portions. For example, in music, an eighth note is a musical note that lasts for 1/8 of a whole note. In fraction form, eighth is represented as 1/8. Understanding the concept of eighths is important in various fields such as math, music, and cooking, where measurements are often expressed in fractions.